This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Equus. Its top features include an air suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: chrome wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, rear impact crumple zones, dual power seats, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Jenkins Hyundai of Leesburg is conveniently located at 9145 U.S. Highway 441 in Leesburg. Contact us to find out about our financing specials or visit us at mynewhyundais.com.